2023 Mercedes CLA 250. We're going to reset some service reminders. Okay. Go ahead and get rid of this message here. You can see the service reminder for this car. All right, first thing to start off, you need to have miles and trip showing on the display here. Go ahead and press the back button, scroll through to it says trip, hit enter, go into trip, make sure it's in trip. Car's running right now, we're going to turn it off. Okay, now we need to turn it off where it goes black. Hit the button again. All right, now we are fully off. Okay, now with your foot off the brake, engine start stop once. Now we're gonna hit it again. And now we have like check engine light, all these lights and things like that. This is what we want. We don't want it to start or anything. Go ahead and get rid of this message here. Now, okay, now you have back and the enter button here. Press and hold these guys down for 6 seconds. Same time, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you're gonna let go. Press the back button. And now go through your menu, you need to go left. And you should have workshop here. You didn't have this before. Go into workshop. And once you're in workshop, go down to assist plus, enter. And we're gonna go full service here on this guy here. Confirm service. And let's go with oil grade. Let's go with the first one. Yes. Confirm. Full service carried out. Now what we can do is we can start this guy up, put on the brake, and let's see if I get our message. Your message should be gone once you do full service. And that's how you reset any of the reminders that you get on the dash. Now, if this video was helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me or leave me a comment or even hit the subscribe button. That would really help me out so I can make some more of these videos. You guys take care, be safe.